How to change App Store country or region to Singapore. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to your App Store. And after you're on your App Store, you should see your profile icon on the top right corner. After you tap on it, you should see your purchase history notification, apps and stuff like that. Now tap on your iCloud or your Apple ID on the top. Now after you tap on your Apple ID, you should see different options here such as manage payment, subscription and stuff like that. Now right there you should also see your country/region. If you tap on it, it will take you to this space right here where you can choose your country or region. So just let it load, and there you see change country or region. Tap on it, and from here you should be able to change it. Now since we're trying to change it to Singapore, you can simply head over to Singapore here. So all of these are just arranged in alphabetical orders. Now tap on Singapore, and now you will need to make a purchase. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on agree, and now you will need to make a payment method or the payment for the Singapore country. So as you can see right here, you will need to change your payment method, and that is basically all. After doing that, your app store will change your country to Singapore. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.